You can find the entrance here on the corner of Hill and Jasper. There used to be a sign that told all about this place. I don't see it anymore. We're going on an adventure. Let me see. Oh. Well, do they have a pit or do they have seeds?
I don't know, but it's not a choke cherry.
Because choke cherries have a pit.
I think it's a seed.
Nope, that's a pit.
Well, it's green.
Oh no, there's two seeds. There's seeds. That is the city of Ishpeming. The rocks, the boulders, the stone is so pretty. We were here a couple of years ago and I wanted to come back in the fall and see the fall colors. It's a little past how I like it, but it's still very pretty. Still mining for iron ore here, and if you look in the distance it looks like mountain peaks there, but it's not. Those are the tailings from the mine. They do open pit mining there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Whee! There we go. Man-made mountain peaks. Yeah. Just looks like waves of color in the stone. It's so beautiful. Right there, it says what Jasper is.
They exhausted the burgundy mine.
So it's the red color, which I thought. And the hematite is black. And there's what it says about hematite. The last time we were here, I did a bunch of research before we came up. I guess the last time was the first time we were here. But today I just wanted to come up and see the fall colors. Was he chattering at you?
Yeah.
I don't think I can zoom in on him. There's a squirrel up there somewhere. Let's see.
You could do one of those red circle things.
Yeah. In this case, you would need it.
The arrow.
Yeah. Alright, we've got a little bit of a walk back down the hill. Alright, there is a fenced off area here. I know they did some mining down below. And now it's all fenced off. I don't remember the story about it. They didn't find what they were looking for, so. Okay, here's an opening in the fence. So you can see there's a well-worn trail there. So even though it's fenced off, people do go down there. But there you can see the fenced off mining area. Ooh. Oh, there's a little tiny woodpecker in the tree. You can find the entrance here on the corner of Hill and Jasper. Yeah, they were mining for one or the other. Boy, I don't know why I'm even talking about this, because I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. But they did. I think they thought it was Jasper and turned out it was hematite. There was just, I don't know, never mind. And I just want to add to the end of this video. Today marks 2 years since we buried our son. It's been a hard week, I think. Yeah, a hard week. I'm watching where I'm going because I'm going down the hill. Anyway, I just kind of wanted to add this.